Hello everyone, and welcome to the Nearpod edition of the 5. Today we are going to talk about how to add a Draw It activity into Nearpod. The Draw It activity will allow students to respond to a prompt on a virtual canvas with drawings, text, images, and video. You can upload a background image, customize your background with the options in the Draw toolbar, or have students draw in a blank background. Okay, let's get started with our first Draw It lesson. The first thing you want to do is enter the instructions or prompt of your lesson. So we're going to go ahead and ask the students to draw a Bohr model of any element from the periodic table. Okay, from here, I can come down to my lesson. I can add a background. I can leave it blank, or you can go to Google or have a picture download from your computer. But any file that you would like as a background, you could do here. So just to kind of show you, maybe I want the periodic table of elements, and maybe I'll put this as a background to my lesson. Other things that you can do in this white space, you can add text, you can draw with crayon, highlighter, eraser, and you can even add GIFs and video. So here's a nice little hydrogen atom GIF we can add to it. And let's see if we can find a video on Bohr models. And we can add that as well. Once you are happy with how your canvas looks, you can preview the lesson to see the student view of your lesson, or you can click Save and Exit. As always, in Nearpod, when you're ready to give the lesson to your students, you can do either live participation or student paced with this Draw It activity. Once students are in this lesson, they can watch the video, they can select the pencil, the highlighter, text box, images, and erase to respond to the prompt. The teacher, you can view progress in real time for the entire class. There will be a yellow banner to indicate students that are in progress and a green banner for those who have submitted the assignment. And remember, student work can be previewed and shared out to all student devices.